Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the amazing opportunity at one of the world's most innovative company called Google. So if you are a student who is graduating in the 2025 year, so this video is for you. So let's talk about the software engineer role for the university graduate at Google. So what it's all about and how you can apply for that and what is the eligibility criteria. So all the things are going to discuss in this video. So stay tuned till the end. So first of all, what is the role? So Google is looking for the fresh graduates to join the team as a software engineer. So in this role, you will be working on the solving some of the most complex problems in the tech, and it's all about building the scalable, reliable, and efficient software systems that powers the Google service like search, Gmail, YouTube, and more. So you will be working alongside world-class engineers using the cutting-edge technologies to build the future. So next, what you will be doing in that? So what exactly you be doing that is you will be involved in designing, developing, testing, deploying and maintaining the software solutions. So whether it's working on the backend systems, mobile apps or large scale data processing, you will play a critical role in the shaping the Google's product. Plus, it's not just about coding, you will also collaborate with the cross-functional teams to make sure that what you build is scalable and meets the Google high standards. So next, who can apply for this role? So this role is specifically for those graduating in the year of 2025. So with a bachelor's, master's or PhD in the computer science or relevant field, you will be need a strong programming skills in languages like Java, C++, Python. If you got a solid foundation in data structures, algorithms and software development, you are on the right track. The skills that are required and which might help you to in cracking this Google's job. So beyond the coding, there is some of the few other skills that will make you stand out. So problem solving and analytical thinking are the key skill for you, and you should also be able to work well in the team. As a Google thrives on collaboration, so and if you have a experience in the distributing the computing, machine learning or cloud systems, that is a huge place for you. So next, so why this role is exciting? So first of all, it's a Google working space, right? Here you will be a part of a company that's changing the world with its tech. Whether it's a building a better AI models or scaling infrastructure to handle the billions of users. So you will be tracking the real world challenges, plus you will also have access to tons of resources to learn and grow your career. So next we will talk about the culture of the Google, right? It's all about innovation. So this they encourage a creativity, teamwork and work life balance. So whether you are brainstorming a new feature or processing the idea to the team, your voice will be heard. And Google also promotes diversity and inclusion, so it's welcome your environment for everyone. So how to apply for this? I have given a link in the description box. When you click on that link, you will get redirect over here and simply you can press on the apply button. You will get applied for this job role. And make sure your resume highlights your projects, technical skills and any internships you have done. And also don't forget to include any coding competitions or open source contribution that have you participated. Okay? Include it in the resume. So if you are passionate about the coding and problem solving, so this is the right place for you. Don't wait, apply now and take the next step towards an exciting career at Google. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So see you in the next video.